Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Easter to you all, and thank all my old and new subscriber for joining the family. I really appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you all. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how I revived my old wig into a new one. Yes, you're going to be needing a conditioner of your choice. You can choose deep conditioner, you can choose normal conditioner. You'll be needing a bowl where you'll be putting the conditioner on it. Then after that, you'll be needing hot water, boiling hot water. Yes, don't worry, the hot water, it won't damage your wig, okay? It's only going to make it new one, okay? Yes, after you boil the hot water, you now pour it into a bowl. After pouring it into a bowl, you're going to be dipping the hair into the hot water. Don't worry, this video is not about how to wash your hair, okay? How to wash your wig. It's only how to revive your wig into new one. Hot water and conditioner does the job fine. And after you dip the wig into the water, you allow it to sit for some minutes, maybe 10 to 20 minutes. Allow it to work, and after that you put it to the sun to dry, and here is your wig, fresh and new one. Can you see how shiny it look new? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.